going to start with OpenCV and Java. I have the libraries OpenCV 2.4.4 associated with this project. The main class here has a main method, so it starts it off, and the OpenCV stuff starts here. So I'm using their video capture class, making a capture object, and associating that with 0, the capture device, which will be my USB webcam. An error message if it can't connect, and then it prints out that it found the webcam, and you can see here just points at an object in RAM somewhere. I make a matrix then, I call it the frame, and I tell the video capture device to retrieve a frame and store it in a frame. Then I use the HiGUI class. There's a static member there called ImageWrite, and I take the frame and I save it as me1 and .jpg. Then I make another matrix called frame blur, and what I do is I take the original image, the frame called frame, and I blur it using this size object. Then I write the second version of that picture that I captured originally as me2 blurred, and then I apply a different type of blur just to see what will happen, and I save that as image3 or me3 blurred. So fairly simple. The last thing here is just to remember to release the capture device, or the program just sits there waiting for you to do something. So I release the capture device there. So when I run this, 3 images of me will be taken. I'll just show you picture 1, and picture 2 blurred, picture 3 very blurred.